What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the Adventures of One Mike, and I am One Mike. And today is episode 2 of Tech Life, Day in the Life. Y'all gonna go with me as I just got a ticket in. I'm about to go pick up a bunch of old UPSs and exchange the RBC 140s out of one UPS unit in the BDF closet. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, we at the first location. Pretty much what it needs down here is a new RBC 140s. But before I do that, I'm just gonna drop the new RBC 140s down here, and then I'm gonna run upstairs and go get the all the old UPSs that need to be pulled out and bring back to the warehouse for service. So give it y'all in a second. So I'm gonna take the old RBC 140s out of this machine. It makes it lighter to transport. So I'm gonna take those two batteries out of here. taking this one out. All right, so we back down to the BDF where we dropped off the RBC 140s. Now what I'm getting ready to do is change out the old RBC 140s out of the SRT 5000, then put the new RBC 140s into it, and we be done with our ticket for today. Let's get to it. So I got the new RBC 140s inside the 5000 SRT. And it's about fixed.